Hello students. In last video, we started with our second chapter, Conservation of Resources, under which we learned what is conservation, what are resources, classification of resources, LPG, tips to conserve LPG. So these were the topics covered in last video. So now, in continuation of this chapter, today we will discuss two more important resources and their conservation tips. Let's start with the second important resource, that is electricity. We will discuss the tips for saving electricity. First and very important tip is turn off light and electrical appliances when not in use. Make a habit that whenever you leave your room, you must switch off all the switches which are not in use. The second important tip is refrigerator motor and compressor generates heat. So, allow enough space and air to flow around the refrigerator. If heat cannot escape, the refrigerator circuit works harder and uses more energy. So, always try to keep refrigerator at some distance from the wall so that the overheat could be avoided and electricity could be saved. And one more important point is if there will be overheat production, there could be a damage to the refrigerator. So this is very important point to be considered, that there should be enough space between wall and the refrigerator. Next important point is dirty tube lights and bulbs reflect less light and can absorb 50% more electricity. So clean tube lights and bulbs regularly. So if our tube lights are dirty, they emit very less light and absorb more of electricity. So to avoid our wastage of electricity, we should always use clean tubes and bulbs. Next is replace ordinary bulbs with CFLs. CFLs mean compact fluorescent lamps. Why to replace the bulbs with CFLs? Because CFLs uses 75% less energy as compared to bulbs. So it is always now promoted that CFLs should be used in home to conserve the electricity. As far as possible, do most of the work during daytime or in sunlight. For example, as shown in the picture, to save electricity, instead of drying clothes in washing machine, the women is drying clothes in sunlight. So it's better to use sunlight to save electricity. And the next point is shut down the computers properly and switch off the plug when not using them. Never leave your computers switched on when not in use, because it will keep on using the electricity, by which the electricity get wasted and may harm computer in the long term. Next very important point to save electricity is plant trees and shrubs to keep the house cool from day's hottest sun. As trees and shrubs help to maintain the coolness around the house by providing shade and resisting the direct entry of light in the house, by which the surrounding of the house will become more pleasant and it will be maintained, and there will be less usage of electricity for maintaining the temperature of the room. Next important point is keep doors of air conditioned room closed as often as possible, because closed door will help to cool down the temperature faster and gives auto cut to your ACs frequently, due to which the electricity is saved. Battery charger for laptops, cell phones, digital cameras, etc., should be pulled out of the plug when not in use, as this also helps to save energy. Next is always buy electrical appliances and gadgets of reliable brand and marked with ISI label. Now, what is ISI label? ISI label is a mark which gives a satisfaction to the customer for the safety of the electrical appliance that is used. So it is very important to be checked to this mark so that the appliance should be considered safe to use. Next is tips for conserving water. Use only that much amount of water which you actually need. Always try not to put extra water for doing work because we always throw away the extra water left after the work. We never think of reusing it, due to which the water get wasted. And the second important point or tip is the taps and pipes should be leak free. This will avoid the wastage of water. In the picture it is shown that annual household leaks waste 1 trillion gallon nationwide equals to water used in 11 million plus homes. So it is very important to check the leakage and get repaired so that the wastage of water could be avoided. Next important point is instead of shower use bucket for bathing. Why? Because in bucket you will use the quantity of water that is needed. But in shower, the wastage of water is more as people keep on doing all other activities which are on. So it is always preferred if we are towards avoiding the wastage of water, you must use bucket instead of shower. Second important point is do not throw away water that has been used for washing vegetables, rice and pulses. Instead use it for watering the plants. This is very important point as same water could be used for two different jobs. So as in the picture also it has been shown that water from steaming plus water from rinsing vegetables is equals to water for plants. So this is a good method to save water. Next is food cooked should use sufficient quantity of water. The amount of water used to cook food should be sufficient which is required for cooking, as extra water of used will be wasted and will not be anyway used for cooking, and moreover it will consume more of the LPG also to get heated. So it is better to use only that quantity of water which is required for the cooking of any meal or any food. While washing the car or vehicles and watering the plants, use water from bucket, not from pipes. Why we do so? Because the flow of the pipe is not controlled. Means we never turn it off when water is not in use, and water flowing from the pipe will get wasted. So it is very important that always prefer to clean or wash your cars by using water from buckets, not from the pipes. And next is a very important method for the conservation of water, that is rainwater harvesting. What we do in this water from the rain which is collected on the roof is sent to the reservoir through the pipelines as shown in the picture. Zoom it. As shown in the picture, the rainwater got collected on the roof and through pipelines it was supplied to the reservoir, and from the reservoir we can use the water for washing vehicles, watering plants, etc. So like this also you can save water, which is very important resource of the earth. And the next important point is do not keep tap running while brushing your teeth or soaping your face. This is very important point, kid. because you always do that. You just do brushing, you never see that your taps are closed or not, which is very important to take care. So please take care. Whenever you brush or wash your face, the tap should be closed when not in use. So with this, students, we are done with our second chapter, conservation of resources. As we have covered many topics on the whole, like conservation of resources, LPG, electricity, water, and their conservation tips. So see you in the next class with the next video. Thank you, students.